So, good evening again. In an earlier movie you have seen that I have polished the valves, put them in the cylinder heads, grind them on the places so the surface is ideal to each other and closes very well up. Now I have two cylinder heads ready, but there is still paint on this surface and the surface is not 100% clean yet. And I want to show you how I am going to do that with normal common tools that you and I have in our shed. I need a little bit rougher sanding paper. It's not the ideal one. Wait a moment. So oh, that's really rough. That's the roughest one. 60 P60. That's really rough. Looks very nice. And even I used a very rough sanding paper. I don't worry about anything, it's fine. Yes, be sure it's clean. It's good, it's nice, it's fine. That's what I want to see. That one I can use, no problem at all. No big dents or missing materials. No, that's fine, that's good. It's a fine cylinder head. It's clean, ready to use. I'm happy about it. So tonight I will stick this on the engine. Yes, it's good, it's good. Here the other one. Yes, I use a lot of those products because it works very well, not for my body and brain, but yes, it looks well, very well. So tonight I'm going to install this on an engine. I show you, and I'm going to use a new kind of glue or sealant for the cylinder heads, so I hope it will work very well. So that's clean, that's nice. So thanks for watching. Oh, so thanks for watching. What do you think? Is it going to work or not? Looks very nice, brand new almost. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.